OmniPlus is setting new standards in spare parts supply. With tailor-made industrial 3D printing, engineered for individual requirements. Decentralized production in mobile printing centers brings manufacturing where it is needed. This shortens procurement routes, enabling fast, reliable availability, reducing downtime, increasing movement, improving the carbon footprint. More than 40,000 spare parts are 3D printable, and several thousands of them are already available in the digital warehouse. From high-performance plastics to complex metal components, every element is a commitment to the uncompromising quality of OmniPlus, a promise of high reliability and over 15 years of parts availability for every Mercedes-Benz and Setra bus or coach in the fleet. Digital rights management enables reliable, on-demand production through certified printing licenses. Flexible and sovereign. OmniPlus 3D printing, shaping the future of parts availability.